Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen my adventure channel, and today I will share you yummy sweet snack. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first fry the macaroni until it's covered golden brown. After golden brown, and then dry well. And then add the margarine until melted. And brown sugar. Roast brown sugar until melted too. And add cinnamon powder, okay, after melted like this, okay, add the macaroni. Okay, and stir until mix it well. Okay, after like this, it's ready to serve. Ta-da! Yummy sweet snack is finished. Don't forget to stay tuned our next video. Thank you for watching. See you next later and bye bye.